Imagine a planet where everything is made of candy, but some candies are alive and they have a big secret. What's lurking on the candy planet? Let's find out. Welcome to the magical candy planet. A place so colorful and sweet, it feels like a dream come true. Giant candy canes stretch up into a bubblegum sky. Chocolate rivers sparkle under rainbow sunlight, and the scent of sugar fills the air. But beneath all this sugary wonder, something mysterious stirs. Everything seems too perfect, too quiet. What secret is hiding behind the sweetness? Far beyond the glowing candy village lies a forest where even the candy turns sour. Twisted trees made of licorice creak in the wind, and the air turns cold. It's a place no candy creature dares to enter. But today, someone is watching from the shadows, and something big is about to happen. Suddenly, a frightened gummy bear bursts from the forest. Eyes wide with fear, it sprints back to the village shouting warnings. Behind it, the trees tremble. The ground shakes. A deep growling roar follows, and out from the shadows storms a terrifying creature made entirely of twisted black licorice. The peaceful village falls into chaos. But just in time, a group of brave candy heroes appears. At the front is the mighty chocolate warrior, his armor glinting like dark fudge. With glowing candy weapons in hand, they step forward to protect their home. The battle explodes with action. The licorice monster swings its sticky arms, smashing candy trees as it charges. The heroes dodge and fight back, their weapons flashing with bursts of magical sugar light. The chocolate warrior leads the attack, striking the beast with all his strength. But the monster is tougher than expected. It roars and slams the ground, sending shockwaves through the village. One by one, the heroes are knocked down, struggling to stay on their feet. The air crackles with dark energy. Hope begins to fade. Then, just when it seems the monster will win, a brilliant light shines from above. The Candy Queen has arrived. Her shimmering candy wings sparkle as she floats down, her presence filling the village with warmth. With a wave of her hand, she restores the hero's strength using magical candy beams. Energized and united, the heroes charge again. Together, they unleash a massive blast of sweet energy, colliding with the licorice beast in a final powerful attack. The monster roars in pain, stumbles back, and slowly begins to crumble into sugary dust. The candy planet is safe once more. The villagers cheer, candy fireworks light up the sky, and a grand celebration begins. Laughter fills the air as everyone dances and feasts. Want more magical candy adventures? Don't forget to subscribe and join us for the next sweet journey.